Hello world, I'm Saint Dev Guy. I've been streaming for 6 months writing this mini game. I am pleased that I am managed to get to the point when phase 1 is done. And the game works on Godot, and the game works on Unity, and the game works on Unreal. And so this is good. There isn't much of a game yet, but I actually have achieved a major part in learning these technologies and how to make a game. And so after that, I sat down and I thought about it for a while. I decided it was time to look at what do I do next. So I kind of started just with this vague idea of a game and seeing what the technology could do. What I've ended up with through various chats online is an idea for a game. I sat down and I wrote out everything I needed to do in the game. And I split it between what needs for the full game, what I need to do for a demo game, what I need to do for a game loop, and what I want to put into this mini game further so I can make a decision of technology things like platforms and game engines and that kind of stuff. And what I've come up with is that I want to make a game where you go around in a level and you leave your avatar and you talk to people and you interact with places and things and you get quests and you get rewards for achieving things and you practice techniques. And at the end of each level, there is a boss, a level boss, and you have to beat the boss. But instead of being the boss through fast twitch actions and things, what you're going to do is play chess. So throughout the level, there are places where you can practice chess techniques and people who give you advice. I don't have any of that in this game yet. So what I need to do is to build out the game and put chess in it. So that's what I'm going to do next. Part of the mini game, then I'll move this bear over to the middle, which would be behind me. And then in this spot, I will put a place where you will play chess. Something simple, something easy. And then I'll see how the game engines work and eventually decide on what game engines and what platforms I'm going for. And then I will put everything into all the quests, all the rewards, everything you do will go into a game that is basically testing the game loop. Make sure it's fun. Make sure it makes sense. Make sure it's easy to use, understandable, before I build out a full level for a demo game. So that's the plan. I have a plan. I have, instead of just letting the technology drive me somewhere, I am now moving forward towards a goal. I kind of always had the goal in my mind, kind of, more or less, but as I've been explaining what I've been doing to people, it is very much solidified, and now I have it written down. I now have steps to reach that goal. I can put things in the minigame with confidence that these are things that are planning to be in the final game. And I know what things I want to put in where, and what things to leave out to make sure that I get it right before I spend all this time like building out a level and then finding out it's no fun and it's all wrong. So that's where we're going. That's the plan. And join me on stream if you wish to talk to me and see how I'm doing, or stay tuned and I'll keep updating with how the game's going. Stay sane.